So for the past few years, I've been searching one that's comparable to the DJI case for the GoPro battery, and I finally found one that works very well. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Alan Gadgets. I've always loved the DJI battery case charger ever since it's first introduced. I've always hoped that GoPro will follow suit and introduce something similar or even better than what the DJI has offered. I've tried a few of these cases from different manufacturers and they are mostly a disappointment as compared to the DJI case. I finally found the best battery case charger for GoPro battery, almost as good, if not just as good as the battery case charger from DJI. Before going to the review, it would be helpful if you could click on the like button for YouTube algorithm, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel for video on camera, drones and gadgets. What I really like about this battery casing is the battery level indicators. The DJI casing uses 3 different colors to indicate the battery level, mainly the red for low level, yellow for mid level and green for full or high level. TELESIN uses 4 bar instead of color, which is easier to read at a glance. I wish that the TELESIN case had a button just like the DJI, so that you could check the battery level at the touch of a button instead of having to open the case. The DJI only charge one battery at a time. It will start with the battery that has the highest level and then move on to the next. So this will make sure that you will get one full battery as soon as possible. The TELESIN approach is charging 3 batteries all at once simultaneously. The DJI case turns its battery into a power bank so that it can charge other devices. As for the TELESIN case, it is only input and no output, so you cannot turn it into a power bank to charge other devices. I find such battery cases very useful when you're on the go. So that's all for my review on the GoPro battery case charger from TELESIN. If you enjoyed this review, please click on the like button and share. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for all things camera, drone and gadgets. And click on the bell button for future notification of upcoming video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!